In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile picture on Connecteam. If you're an admin or owner and you want to add a profile picture for yourself or for an employee, you'll want to do this from a web browser. Starting on the Connecteam Launchpad makes the process straightforward, and from there, you can quickly access the user profile you need to update. Once you're inside Connecteam, look over to the left-hand sidebar and select the Users tab. This is where you can view and manage user profiles across the account. If you're updating your own image, you'll still follow the same path if you're doing it through the admin side. If you're updating someone else's picture, this is also where you'll find their profile. After opening the Users section, click on the specific user's profile. Make sure you choose the correct person before making changes, especially if you're managing multiple employees. Opening the full profile gives you access to the user details, including the current profile image area. Next, move your cursor over the user's profile photo. When you hover over it, you should see an option that says Edit Image. Click that option to begin replacing or adding the picture. If you don't see the option right away, try hovering directly over the image area and give the page a second to respond. From there, upload an image from your computer. Choose a clear photo that represents the user well, since profile pictures help make team communication and identification easier inside the platform. After selecting the file, you'll be able to adjust the image so it fits properly. Take a moment to position it neatly, especially if the photo needs to be centered or cropped. Once the image looks right, click Submit to save the update. After that, the new profile picture should appear on the user's profile. If it doesn't update immediately, you can refresh the page and check again. One important thing to keep in mind is that if you run into problems during this process, it may be related to account permissions. In other words, not every user has the ability to edit profile images for themselves or for others. If the edit option is missing or unavailable, it's a good idea to review your permissions or contact the account owner or administrator. And that's how to add a profile picture on Connecteam using a web browser.